Hey guys, this is Mr. Ramirez coming live at 6:10. 6:15, sorry about that. 6:15. I'm feeling scared about dark clouds and maybe some thunderstorms in the area. This one right there, I'm scared of dark clouds. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're on the weather radar. It shows that there's a little rain here. So I'll be worried if we see the thunderstorm in the area. Possibly like in north. I think it's in north of us. So we're okay with this. It's a false alarm. So false alarm, guys. And look at the sky. It's gonna be a little good. So I was worrying it's gonna be a rainstorm. So I'll be okay with this video. If you like my video, just find out how you enjoy this weather. So I hope you can enjoy this video. So it's gonna be my end now. See you guys later. Look at this cloud. It scared me a lot.